Hey everyone, welcome back to the Singer. Last video, which probably should have done it before I even took it apart. Should have took it apart first, but now this is how you operate it. That's how you turn it on and off. Now, how are you supposed to? Let's say, okay, I can do this. All right, let me get this. I got a dry piece of a dry piece of cloth here. It's hard to do one-handed. Alright, let's say you're sewing this. You got this under, okay? And I've always seen my mom have two hands. Let's say, pretend this is one hand and this is the other. You got one on each side running it through. But, you'll have to be doing it like kind of like that. Well, how are you supposed to operate that and that, unless you're supposed to do it standing up? But yeah, I was trying to turn this with vice grips, so I thought that's how you opened up the thing. But I don't see why it wouldn't turn on. Okay. I mean, the only thing, well, I got you in. The only thing that broke is this. I was on that. It got jammed up in there when I had to break it off to get it out. And I'm trying to figure this out. Now, how are you supposed to do that? I guess I'll have to get online and YouTube it, and this comes out like that. So follow for more. Thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one.